It's gonna rise, but it really didn't rise that much. Put like some ice cream and then make a sandwich. Hey y'all, it's Joelle and I am here today with a really cool cookie recipe. They are yeasted cranberry cookies. They are egg-free and I also didn't use baking soda or baking powder. I'm really excited about these. They smell so good. I haven't tried them yet and I will try them later on in this video. But before I get to that, here's the recipe. Enjoy! enjoyed that recipe and I hope you're inspired to try these yourself. Now it's time to see how they actually taste. And what I do have here are actually 3 varieties. So I have the regular one here at this end that doesn't have any glaze or any frosting. Then I have one that has a milk glaze with some chopped dried cranberries on top, and a lime glaze with some chopped dried cranberries and lime zest also. So if you guys want to see me taste test between these 2 different kinds of glazes, Also be sure to check out my video on that because I'm really excited. I had fun trying out these glazes and I have a little bit of the behind the scenes video for that too. So check that video out. I'm going to try the cookie now. I'm so excited. Let's go. All right, so let's break into this cookie and this is what it looks like. So it looks like on the back. It smells like a mix, it's like a pastry bread is like the smell that I'm getting. But let's break this. Ooh. Yay, okay. So I'm going to try a piece now. Looks nice and chewy. Really excited. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. Oh my gosh, I don't know. You guys probably didn't hear that, but inside, you can see this. Inside is very chewy, and you might have seen it when I broke it apart, but the edge has this really nice crust that's like crunchy. Mmm. This is so good. Ooh, I love these. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's so good, not too sweet, but sweet enough, especially that outer edge has a really nice crunch. So as you guys saw in the recipe video, I use granulated sugar and brown sugar for that chewiness, and I'm definitely getting that. And then the granulated sugar for the crunch, and I'm definitely getting that. So that mix was, I love doing that mix in my baked goods, depending on the recipe and when it's called for, especially for cookies like this. So it's sweet enough, but not too sweet. And then when you get into the dried cranberries, it has a really nice tartness to it. In terms of it feeling bready in any sort of way, it honestly doesn't. It's just kind of like a dense cookie. You can see that. It's a dense cookie. Like, I wouldn't say it reminds me. I was thinking like maybe it would be sort of like a sweet bread or like a yeast roll or something. I also didn't knead this cookie dough, like knead it, K-N-E-A-D. So I don't know, maybe that would have made a difference. Also, when I put it in the fridge to proof, I thought it was gonna rise, but it really didn't rise that much. So actually a lot of the proofing happened, or if any of the proofing happened when it was baking. So there are other factors involved. I mean, I am definitely interested in trying this cookie recipe again and trying to knead the dough to see what that would come out like. But in terms of what it's like right here, it's like a really hearty cookie, and I really enjoy this. Oh my gosh. It's like a mix between a cookie and a pastry, more than a bread. Okay, I need to stop eating this because I'm going to be trying. I'm going to be trying parts of 2 more, but it's so good. Like, I actually want to make a cup of tea, just like complement these cookies. I feel like some warm milk or like a tea latte would be really good with these. Okay, I am gonna take 1 more piece. Very buttery. It's a good cookie. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you learned something new in this video. Let me know if you try these cookies. Let me know if you switch anything up, if you add new mix-ins or anything like that. I would love to hear what your at-home creations, your at-home rendition of this is. Be sure to check out my other video where I go into the glazes and where I try the glazed versions of the cookies. I'm really excited because it's a really good cookie base. I'm Like, I am being so honest with y'all right now. It's a really good cookie base. And so I can only imagine with the lime zest, a bit of bitter that lime brings, and then the extra tart that the bitter that the lime zest brings, and then the extra tart that the lime juice brings, balancing with the sweetness of the powdered sugar. I'm really excited for that. And then the creaminess of whole milk. I'm looking forward to the milk glaze as well. So yeah, be sure to check out that video and also let me know your thoughts. Did you guys use a glaze? Did you use like buttercream frosting on these? Did you leave them plain? These would also be really cool for ice cream sandwiches. Like, I was actually thinking about that. Like, you could put, I mean, I'm sure you guys like know how to make an ice cream sandwich, but I'm still gonna show you. Put like some ice cream and then make a sandwich, especially the way they are right here. I feel like you could also make them smaller. Okay, now I'm just going on about it. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you were inspired today. I will see you on another Coastal Baseline and Coastal Baseline Eats video soon. I do live coffee and cooking streams on Twitch. It's Coastal Baseline Eats. And also check out my other videos on this channel. Be sure to subscribe so that you guys can stay updated with new recipe videos, stream highlights. I also love music, so I share about music on this channel. So if you want to stay updated with that content, subscribing is a good way to go. Be sure to share this with your friends, share this video with your family, and happy cooking, happy baking, happy creating. I hope you have fun in your kitchen. I'll see you next time. Bye.